What's up, baby girl? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you these beautiful 3 metallic Motives Cosmetics lipsticks in these 3 gorgeous colors right here. First one is Wine Not. Second one is Delight. Third one is Pink Latte. So, if you want to see these beautiful lipstick swatches, stick around, baby girl. Okay, so the first color that we're going to be going in is this beautiful metallic color right here, and it's called Pink Latte. And these retail for around 32 Australian dollars. Okay, so let's go in and let's get started. I actually love this color. It's so subtle and it can go with any neutral look. I think metallic lipsticks are really underrated. This is the color right here. Let's give you a nice close-up. And the next color I'm going to be going in with is this color right here, and it's called Wine Not. Wine Not. So it's just a beautiful deep red color. Okay, let's get started. And there's the finished look, and I must say I really do like the finish on this. It's it finishes as a metallic matte. And one thing I have to say is that you do need a steady hand to apply these, because they're not like a lipstick that's smooth and soft and has more wetness to it, which means it glides on. These are a little bit more dry, so you have to have a very, very steady hand to go around your lines. But I do like it nonetheless. Wine Not. And the next and final color is going to be this one right here, which is called Delight. And just a side note, my lips are becoming quite raw red. I've put on about 5 lipsticks today. So, lucky last, let's go in with this last color, Delight. And just straight up, this is definitely my favorite color, Delight. Why? Because it's a softer red. It's a more orange red, has a lot more of a, orange hue to it. It's softer, it's got more of a coral, and it's also a lot easier to apply, surprisingly. It's got these little beautiful shimmers in it. So that is Delight. And that brings us to the end of this metallic lip swatch Motives Cosmetics tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off on the comments below. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, mwah. Love and peace and blessings to you, baby girl.